QuickBooks Training for Beginners. So basically a little demo and tutorial. So first of all, if you want to go ahead and use your QuickBooks over here, you're going to have to sign up for a little subscription. So go here in the top right section in any preferred browser once you have entered your QuickBooks and choose either QuickBooks Online Accountant or QuickBooks Online. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and put in your email and a user ID if you'd like, but you have to create an account before you do this. So choose a plan that's pretty much to your preference. So you can take a look at the available plans that they have. They have a simple start, essential, plus, and advanced. But once you've done this process, you can go ahead and enter their dashboard. So in general, QuickBooks is pretty beginner friendly accounting and software. So designed to help small business track income, expenses, invoices, and reports in pretty much one place. So it's a pretty large service you can go ahead and use. So when you first log in, especially in the QuickBooks Online option, you'll see a dashboard that shows your bank balance, recent transactions, invoices with profit, loss, or those kinds of summaries. So the setup process starts with entering your business details, choosing your industry, and connecting your bank account so transactions can automatically sync. So this pretty much makes bookkeeping much easier because QuickBooks can suggest categories for expenses instead of entering everything manually. So for a basic demo workflow, you can start by creating an invoice. So to the sales invoice and then create invoice. You can go ahead and add your customer and then enter products or services, then send it via email. With that, the next is to record an expense. So you can go to the expenses and then add expense. You can categorize it properly by utilities, supplies, marketing, and finally check your reports under the reports section. Then to the profit and loss to see your business performance. So as a beginner, you can focus on mastering 3 core areas in QuickBooks over here, which is invoicing, expense tracking, and running reports. Once you're comfortable with those, you can move on to payroll, tax setup, and advanced features. You can go ahead and explore all the features that you get from whatever subscription you took from, since again it's a pretty large service you can use. So you can go ahead and take a look. There's a lot of features and instructions. They can also go ahead and show you tutorials and short step-by-steps they can show you on how to do that specific tool. So hopefully the information of this video can still help you though, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.